Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find recorded clips from Geforce experience. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, click on the Geforce experience. And from there, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, finding recorded clips from Geforce experience can be beneficial because it allows you to record and save highlights of your gameplay sessions. Now, finding recorded clips lets you revisit and share memorable moments from your favorite games. And players often review recorded clips to analyze their gameplay, techniques, strategies, and mistakes. This helps in improving skills and understanding game mechanics better. Now, you can easily share your recorded clips with friends or gaming communities to show off achievements, funny moments, or epic battles. Now, there's two ways for you to basically find the recorded clips from Geforce experience. All you have to do is launch your Geforce experience desktop app. And from here, just hover to the settings where you put the default folder for the saved videos. All right, so it's up to you to check on it. Now, the thing is, the second option that you are going to do is just go to the folder wherein the clips are recorded. So basically, I put it in the videos GE experience recorded clips for me to be able to easily find the recorded clips. All right, so you can also rename the folder so that when you go to your computer, you can easily search it, all right? And of course, if you are having problems finding the recorded clips from Geforce experience, you are more than welcome to go to the nvidia support, wherein just click on the consumer support and click on the explore support options. And from there, just type in your questions if you're able to see if there's an answer. Thank you so much for watching. You can also click on the chat now option, but you need to log in using your credentials. See you in the next video.